Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstration how to roll back or downgrade iOS without losing any data from latest updated beta version, that is 27 beta 2 to 26 iOS, 18 iOS, 18.5 iOS, or unsigned or signed iOS. How do you go for the installations? We have a little tech, especially changes, and by that execution, of course, you can easily downgrade from 27 beta 2 version 2, especially any iOS according to your own desire, either it is assigned or unsigned. So how do you do that? Firstly, let's tap on a setting 2. Of course, we will come in a general and we will check it out that what's iOS is currently functioning. So we will click on a software update and we can see here clearly that is 27.0 beta 2 is functioning. We don't have any also opportunity to downgrade it, guys. So how do I do it? For everything, just we will go for an administration, that is a SPSLime 3U tool. In 3U tool, just we will connect a data cable and refresh. When we refresh, then we have opportunity that, see, this is especially 26.6 beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, and this is a 27 points. So out of them, especially anyone, so we can pick it to downgrade. So here is your 27s. Easily we can go, especially from 27s to 26.5 or 26.5.2. But unsigned iOS, these all are assigned versions. So signed version, how would I assess? Simply, guys, here just we will download. Suppose here right now we would like to go for. How would I classify the signed version and the unsigned version? We will tap on a firmware and here we can see these all are signed version, except this. These all are unsigned version, guys. So how would I? Yes, directly, if you would like to downgrade with the sign version, then directly we can download, or we will come in easy flash. Here is also options to download. And after downloading, just we can go for here, directly import it. When we, after downloading, just directly, of course, we will select the here, the quick flash mode, that there you can lose your data, but here retain user data. On that, you are not going to retain any, you are not going to lose any data. Everything, apps and application, whatever redundant files folder, everything would be especially retained. Anti-recovery means you are not going to recover ever. So we will select the retain user data, and here the firmware that you have downloaded, directly we can select, especially in the custom bar, if you kept anywhere, and directly otherwise you have downloaded, then we will have to select this one. And so this is a signed version, but unsigned, how do you do that? Let's see now. Just we will tap on a toolbox 2. Of course, we will click on a software update and send to these files. So that's update would be a special line. Now see, it came on, it will block the especially any further notification. Now that we can go with the especially unsigned iOS. So unsigned iOS, simply just we will click on this and we will come on a especially firmware. In a firmware now, that we can see here 18.5 we would like to have. So now that we can see 18.5 on this one, so we will start to a download. So now it has started to download, guys, and let it complete a downloading, and then of course we will go for the further that I will show you that how do you especially go with that. Now simply this is a, it's asking a 10-minute, guys. Right now let's have the demo, especially with the another, especially just we will click on especially on a easy flash 2. Of course we will select here, select local firmware options, and there if we have a downloaded, then let me have, so I have one downloaded. Just we will come now on a IPSW. Now see, this is a 16 point especially 7.16, so we will select this one and it has been successfully imported. We don't want to lose any data, so retain user data we will pick, and then we will go for started. Yeah. So now see, it's essential that the firmware would be especially 27.0 to 16.7 points. And now here, fix the battery. Also doing the flash, we don't have to select here, otherwise manually we will have to reboot. And when we will click on here, it will be a start to from the 27.0 2 beta 2 especially 16.7 points, especially 16 iOS guys. So similarly right now 18 is downloading almost, especially I mean 10% is completed. Let it complete, then we will go with that. But similar strategy you will have to especially go with that guys. So easily you can, yes, downgrade without losing data. If you would like to lose data, then a quick flash mode there, you will have to elect and then we will go for it. So video would be lengthy guys. This is all about in this video tutorial. Similar strategy, of course, you can go for installation. Hi, this is Technology Belfa and would be back with a step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join this channel. Thank you very much and have a great time. Bye bye.